Hey YouTube, this is Mike with Mike Phantom TCG, and this is my first video. So in this video, I'm going to be opening some Korean Pokemon packs. So here is Shield, Pokemon Shield, and this is Rebellion Clash. So Korean packs are like the Japanese packs in the sense that they're smaller sets. Each pack comes with 5 cards, and you're not guaranteed a rare in each pack. So I just wanted to show you some Korean cards and what they look like. I actually live in South Korea, and I collect and play the Pokemon card game here in Korea. So that's what my channel will be about. So I'm going to be doing a lot of pack openings, booster box openings, deck profiles, all of that kind of thing. So welcome. And let's get into the pack opening. So let's start with Shield here. So I got 3 packs of Shield and 10 packs of Rebellion Clash. So I got these at the stationery store, and they were fairly cheap. So let's open them up. So the card trick is already done. So the rare is in the back. So see, we have Score Bunny, Eldegoss, Quillfish, Quick Ball, that's good, and, what's the English name? Sandaconda, yeah, Sandaconda. So, as a competitive player, I'm glad to have pulled a Quick Ball. There is a secret rare gold Quick Ball in the set, so it would be nice to pull one. I actually did pull one in a box I bought a few weeks ago. So next pack, we have another Score Bunny, Goldeen, Chinchou, Dreadnought, and I don't know the English name for this card. I think maybe Big Apricorn. But yeah, so these are the Korean cards. The backs are the same, like the American cards, as well as the yellow border. But the set, as you can see, the sets are like the Japanese sets, and they have numbers, so not symbols like we do. And let's get into our last pack of Shield. Oh, I think we got something in here. So we got a Snome, a Wooloo, Galarian Zigzagoon, that's good, Galarian Linoon, and Morpeko Morpeko V. So the rarities on the Korean cards are, this is a double rare, so 2 R's, and the VMAXs are triple rares, and then there's secret and hyper rare. And ultra rare. So let's put this in a sleeve. So I have these Charizard VMAX sleeves. So we can put that in here. Set that in the back. Okay, so let's start with the Rebel Clash. Okay. So we have Heracross. I cannot remember the name for this one in English. Sphinx? Oh, yes. Scoop Up Net, that's good. And a Hollow. Colossal. Hollow Colossal. So this is really good with the ability Tar Generator. So I'll go ahead and sleeve this one. Just put that off to the side there. And next one. Yeah, sometimes these packs are a little difficult to open, but it's It's okay. So we have Heatmore, Phantom, Coughing, Greedent, and that's a Magmortar. So that's an uncommon. And next one. So we have Clefairy, Squovit, Surskit, Cursed Shovel, and I cannot remember the English name for this one. In Korean, it's Borenjina. Next one. So I am hoping I could get a full art Dragapult in here, or Boss's Orders. So we have Electrode, Yamask, Galarian Yamask, Magmar, Trevenant. Oh, and there we go, Boss's Orders. Yes. So in Korean, Bosuye Jirong. Oh yes, so perfect. As a competitive player, Boss's Orders is always good to pull. So let's put that one here. So we still have 6 more packs of Verbal Clash. Oh, and this one did not open up very well. Okay, so we have a Nose Pass. Oh, I cannot remember the name for this one. Electabuzz, Probopass, and a Speed Energy. That's good. Perfect for electric decks. And next one. So hopefully we can get a V. Oh, I think we do have something in this pack. I see something. So we have a Squovit, Galarian, oh, what's the name? Dalmaqua. I cannot remember the name. Applin, Sigilyph, and okay, we got, oh, I already forgot the name of this one. I cannot remember the name for it. In Korean, it's Daewang Giridong, which I like that name. It sounds funny. But yes, so we got another V. So the pull rates for the boxes, because I did grab this from a booster box at the store. Usually you get around 3 to 4 Vs, 2 V Maxes, and a secret rare. So, and some hollows. So we have a Meditite, Trubbish, Stuffle, Greedent, and a Ludicolo. Okay, so 3 more packs. So we got a, again, I cannot remember the name. Sorry, guys. Lotad, Barboach, Galarian, Cofregus. Ooh, and a Hollow Clefairy. Cool. Hollow Clefairy. So we set that aside over here. Okay, 2 packs. 2 packs left. So we got Lombre, this thing, Morpeko, Pelipper, ooh, and a Horror Psychic Energy. This is really good in the Dragapult decks. Alright, can we get some last pack magic? Let's see. Ooh. So we got Carkol, Magmar, Timpole, oh, what's her name? Her name is Olive in the Korean games. And a Sigilyph. Okay, so no last pack magic, but that's okay. Okay, guys, so let's review, or let's look at what we got. So we got a Holo Clefairy. We got the Holo Colossal. We got the Boss's Orders, which is definitely the best out of everything we pulled today. We got the Copper Jaw V, so I had to look that up. Yeah, Copper Jaw V, and then the Morpeko V. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to help me out, you can subscribe. I'm a new PokeTuber, so subscribe for more Korean card openings, box openings, deck profiles, all of that good stuff. Maybe even one day I'll do some vlogs. But yeah, so thanks for watching, taking the time. If you made it to the end of the video, again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time.